Alright guys, what's up? We're about to go get George's new dirt bike.
Yes, sir.
Best financial decision you can make. Let's go. Got some straps for the new bike. Oh boy, it's gonna be a minute. Iowa. You want your dog to run away for 3 days later.
One deer, baby.
I'll take the green one.
I don't know.
Or would it have been 1,000?
That's where the new bike is. Just kidding. I had to make a pit stop. Almost there though. Fresh bike. I'll take the green one.
Dude, this thing actually is fresh. Looks like this thing's all frozen.
Like 20 hours on it.
You might have laid it over there.
Got her all strapped down. Thing's not going anywhere.
Yeah, I wonder if Taylor's still good at football.
Ice cream and dirt bikes. Doesn't get much better than that. Let's go. More bikes to the fleet.
That has like crumbs in it. So I was like, alright. Good. I don't need this one. The cereal.
Breakfast of champions right there.
Oh yeah. We're gonna wait.
If I do some bike maintenance on a Saturday, no work, no ride.
Oh, it is slick.
Plastics, bro.
All right, it's the next day since we picked up George's bike, and we're in the shop now. We got all the 110s. We're working on them, getting them ready. Sadly, they can't ride because it's snowed out. You guys can see that? It snowed, but yeah, last weekend we were ripping, and this weekend we're stuck in the shop, so kind of sucks. But hopefully we'll get out there and make some more videos soon, so yeah. All right, we got all the Steves lined up. Carson's working on his. He's taking the muffler off. Got a new one.
This thing's gonna look insanely different.
Yeah. Got some graphics. You're gonna put new bars on it.
Basically just the motor and the frame. Everything else is going.
Yeah, this one looks sick. Then, Jack, what are you doing to yours?
Nothing, that's perfect.
Oh.
Yours is trapped.
Yeah, this thing
Yeah,
is
do my plastics fit on
mint.
yours?
It's the new Husqvarna FC 110. George, what you got going on
I'm
here?
just saying, like,
We're adding a new flow.
plastics. I'm taking
I just
brand new
had-
plastics off. I'm like,
A filter coming straight out of the car, and it gets dirty, as you can see. That's not good. So I'm putting on a U-flow. It'll sit up right here somewhere. And then I'm adding new sprocket cover, just so it's smaller and mud can't jam in there anymore.
Yep, and then mine's rolling up outside. I'm gonna change the oil, tighten up the chain a little bit. It's right here. And then, yeah, I think that's about it. Oh no, I dropped it. That's all right. Woo, look at that.
you clean?
She's clean. Oil's draining. Just about done. George is putting his U-flow thing on. Jack's bike is perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with
Do you
it
even have saws on here?
at all.
I don't need a saw, I need a blade.
Oh. It's mint.
Then Carson's getting this. If anyone's changed the back fender of a KLX, you know the struggle. Thing's mint, doesn't need any work. Got that premium 10W40. About to go in the bike. Let's go. This thing chock full. Let's go. We got the oil level in the side glass. Right on the money.
Here we go. Dude, it even came in like this bag. Like, I feel like I can't even touch this without wearing gloves. Like, there's that. Brat, brat, brat. Only $100.
Perfect.
And that's what a steal.
$100.
Alright, so exhaust is about to get taken off. So here's the sound profile.
Is there another nut on there?
Thing's mint.
So cool.
That sounds so good.
Start it straight plane.
George's bike is on the verge of blowing up.
Just caked in mud, dude.
Yikes. I think she's got like 3 more rides on her. Bro, that is so bad. Playing hockey with the old airplane?
Probably clean it off.
Kid's dust. You know it's getting ready when the saw breaks out. Alright, I got my bike done. Got the oil filter on and changed, new oil. Fresh oil change, it's got like 3 extra horsepower. And then George just got his air intake on, Carson got his pipe on, and his bars, and he's working on his seat now. Got a new seat cover. And Matt's just chilling. Then we're gonna start on Carson's graphics, help him out with that. And yeah, the bars are looking good. Pipe looks sick. This thing's gonna be decked out. Drop the brand new seat cover on the ground. Already dirty.
Is there anything in the fridge? What? Pops, sparkling waters.
Dude, let's check it. Got some better. Dr. Pepper?
Any brisket?
Dr. Pepper? Dr. Pepper?
Dude, these things.
Why is this
I think these things are
so
good.
blurry? Like, it doesn't like focus very well.
No,
Zoom
our
in.
focus are manual. Where'd them cookies go?
Look at them Dr. Peppers. You can't
Wait.
even see them because it's so blurry.
Try this thing. Mine has like a, I think it's like this. Something spins.
Oh yeah, you actually might be right. Yo! Yo, you... Let's go!
What? No more blur?
Yeah, dude, Carson, you're a genius.
What do you do, blowing it?
No. There's a... I didn't realize this, but the auto... Like, the focus thing is right here.
Yeah.
Let's go, dude. I'm hyped right now.
How the frick do you work this?
Wait a minute.
You know, just broke them off in there.
Is it... It doesn't go in sideways. You gotta put it right here, dog.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. I don't use one.
Any more extendos?
Is that a cherry Coke?
Okay. All right, boys.
Let's go. Coke. PepsiCo, if you see this? Sponsor
Yeah, my
us?
uncle doesn't even work at Pepsi. He would sponsor us, but
All
not
right.
anymore. He quit.
Dang. It's tough.
For those hard grease places.
You need that extra torque?
It's actually surprising because they got shipped from like Latvia.
Just got the chain tightened up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. Let's check the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. Let's go. Thing's meant. Tightened up.
All right, right here we got Dumb and Dumber. Oh wait, there we go. Working on the seat cover. Oh yeah. Who knows what he's doing?
You get maximum grip, dude.
Wow. This is sick.
Broke out the saw again.
New KTM 110L. You guys are still working on that? Dude, it's gotta be perfect.
I'm low-key sweating. Don't get that in the vlog.
sick new Tiger.
So sick.
Got the whole crew working on Carson's graphics.
Alright, like so.
Yeah.
Wipe them right out.
I don't know if there's anything for it here.
You need heat.
Let me heat it up.
It's hot, dude. It's hot.
Way more
Looking
flat.
good.
You're just bending it right now.
Number plate's getting done. Back fender's done. Shrouds. Front fender. Gonna look sick. It's gonna be dialed.
Oh, this one looks sick.
Carson's all done. Thing looks sick. Woo! Sponsored by Nature's Bakery. Get free bread. So we just got everything done. I got a fresh oil change on mine and oil filter done. Tightened up the chain. And George put on this U-Flow, BBR U-Flow. Got that all rigged up in there. We got Carson's bike done. Looks sick.
I like it.
Yeah, it looks dope. A lot of work, but got the pipe on, plastic, seat cover, graphics, new bars. Things rolling coal.
I think I'm like running out of gas.
Battery! So cold. Hit a wheelie! It's too cold for this, dog.
Like nothing left.
Let's hear that pipe. That's what you call a sandwich right there. Jimmy John's hooking it up. Jimmy, if you're watching, sponsor us. Making Elon Musk proud. All right, that's the end of the vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Just working on the pit bikes a little bit. Hopefully the weather clears up so we can go ride soon and get more videos out. And then, yeah, so that's the last look at George's new bike. Should be pretty fun.